Welcome to the video series about the integration of SINAMICS G220 converter into the SIMATIC Process Device Manager. My name is Simona, and in this part we are going to have a look at one of the interesting features of the SINAMICS G220 FDI Device Package Basic, Device Management. Device Management menu offers you to perform the essential service operations. One of them is to backup data from drive, including all drive security settings, web server setting, and all parameter values. Be aware that this backup data from drive feature is only limited to SIMATIC PDM engineering tool. The backup process takes a while, but once finished, you can optionally export the data to the external .xml file. This external XML file can be anytime later imported back to the FDI Device Package Basic as a backup data. If you previously performed backup data from drive or imported them from the XML file, you have the possibility to restore data to drive. For example, if you are replacing the frequency converter with a new one that is in factory setting. All parameters and settings are restored. The changes in user management and access control setting will be reflected after the restart of the frequency converter. Another option from Device Management submenu is Restore Factory Setting, which deletes user-specific parameterization of the frequency converter except of Communication Interface Setting, Security Setting including UMAC data, Language Setting, and Date and Time. You may use this Restore Factory Setting option in several cases, like for example, if power supply was interrupted before finishing the quick setup, or you are reusing the drive with unknown previous parameterization. In case you change the frequency converter parameter values, you have the possibility to retentively save RAM data. This operation ensures that new parameter values are permanently stored in drive internal memory and are valid after interruption of power supply. If the optional memory card is inserted in drive during this operation, then all frequency converter parameter values and settings are stored on this card too. The last option from Device Management menu is the Restart the Drive. Use this option to restart the frequency converter control unit, as it would be after power cycle. During the restart, the communication with drive is interrupted. Well, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye.